Hello all. Vuram has created a new custom machine learning activity in UiPath AI Fabric. In this video, we will take a look into what the ML skill is about and how it works. Let's have a look at the agenda now. First, we will have a brief introduction about the component and what are the prerequisites required for this component and how it works. Then we will look at the sample input and output file used for this demo. And then we will see a live demo of the working of the ML skill, post which we will see some of the observations made on the results, and finally the use cases. So this machine learning skill is built on top of Hugging Face zero-shot classification pre-trained model, which is used to classify a given text into one of the defined classes. In order to use this machine learning skill, you should have UiPath Studio 2020.4 or higher, and the license of the UiPath should be Enterprise or Enterprise Trial, which is used to enable the AI Center, which is the platform where we deploy our AI Fabric skill. So how it works? Once the AI Center is enabled in your UiPath cloud, you can create a new project for AI Fabric and deploy this machine learning skill there. And then you have to install two dependency packages in UiPath Studio, and then you can use the ML skill activity of the dependency package, and you can use this ML skill directly into your UiPath workflow. Now we will take a look into our sample input and output files used. Now we will take a look into our input file. So this is a sample input file which we have used for this demo. As we can see, there are several contexts and the classes under which the context has to be predicted. And this is a small hint which is called the hypothesis, which is used as the catalyst for the prediction. So this will basically boost up the prediction score, and this is an option field. So now we will take a look into our sample output file. So this is our sample input file. As you can see, these are the predicted classes and these are the prediction score. So the first thing, the first context is about Java and something we know which is about a computer programming language. And you can see these are the defined classes, and it has predicted that it belongs to a computer along with the prediction score. And second thing is about something about Newton's third law of motion, which comes under physics, and as you can see, it has been predicted under physics with the prediction score. And for example, this one is about something about cricket, and these are the the classes defined. And as you can see, I have given a small hint saying that the game is. So the predicted class is cricket, and along with the prediction score. So something like that. Now we can have a small demo, but before that I would like to show you how the ML skill has been deployed in the AI Fabric. So this is my ML skill, and you can see the status of that is available, which means it is ready to be used in our UiPath workflow. A detailed description of how to deploy this into the AI Fabric has been described in the document along with this ML skill in the marketplace. So this sample process, so it basically reads the input file, and then it processes each record one by one and takes the context, classes, and hypothesis and passes it to this ML skill after some validation. So finally we will get a JSON result which has been deserialized here and then added to a data table, and finally the data table is exported as results. So now we will see a demo. So as you can see, the first contact has been classified. Yeah, it goes to second as well. Yeah. So as you can see, it has taken like 49 seconds to classify something around 12 records. So we will take a look at the the output. So these are the outputs. There are totally 13 records. Yeah. So now we will have a look at the observation of the output, which has been prepared in a different Excel sheet. We'll go there. So in this observation sheet, like we have marked which are the correct predictions and which are some one false positive cases here. So we will have it. So the first thing is correct, like it is something about Java, which is something about the computer programming language, and since it is interpreted as a computer with this prediction score, and in this column we have the expected class, and versus these are the predicted classes, and whichever the prediction score is less than 60%, we have marked it as yellow, and the others as green. And for the false cases, like we have marked it as red. So, as you can see, this context, particular context, like can we get into a call now? It has predicted as urgent, but the score is 0.51. So hence it is marked as yellow. And so here, as you can see, like it is, I have a meeting at 7 p.m. tomorrow, like which is evening, which is marked as evening, and the prediction score is 0.5. So there are some limitations. Let's say if I replace this now with as soon as possible or immediately, something like that, the prediction score is pretty higher. But for some reason, like this now keyword has some low prediction score. And as you can see, it's a racquetball sport. So this particular 11th serial number is something about squash, which is similar to tennis, and hence it is predicted as tennis instead of squash. And this is a false positive scenario where the prediction score is also high, but the predicted result is wrong. And this is something about the tennis, so it is predicted correctly as tennis itself. And this contains the same keywords like racket, ball, something like which is similar. And this particular case, like if you can see, I have a meeting at 7 p.m. tomorrow is considered as evening, where like the 7 p.m. is considered as a late evening, where the 8 p.m. with the same words at the front and back is considered as night. So the model is capable to predict precise information based on the context and the hypothesis given. So this hypothesis, as I said, acts as a catalyst to boost the prediction score. So this is the one which is given in the example in the document, attached with the ML skill in UiPath Marketplace, like saying that algebra could be difficult for beginners to understand, so which is about the maths. And as you can see, like it has predicted as math with 0.9 score. So yeah, now we will go take a look at the use cases where this ML skill can be used in UiPath. So when talking about the use cases, this ML skill can be used for a number of cases in UiPath, and some of them are listed here. So the first one, basically, let's assume that you have an email box where you several emails is for IT and several is for the finance and several is for operation. So you can use this ML skill and read the input the inbox, and then you can classify the emails accordingly. And the second one is basically, let's say you have an IT email box where you have to classify the urgency of the ticket based on the subject or the body. You can use this ML skill to classify it. And the third one is basically like detecting the spam or not spam based on the email body or subject. And the fourth one being, as the sentiment analysis basically. So it identifies the sentiment of the text. Maybe it could be an email or a comment or something. And the last one is, let's say you have a grocery list where, the shopping list where you have several items for grocery and several for cosmetics and several for clothing. You can use this ML skill to categorize each item into these classes, and the list never ends. So it can be used for a number of the classification purposes. Hope you like this new ML skill created by Puram. Yeah, thank you everyone.